So as you've probably seen from the title of this video, I'm going to be giving away 5 different $50 Amazon gift cards, and all you need to do to enter to potentially win a gift card is to fill out my survey that I have listed below, or you can go to curiousthemes.com/survey. So I recently hit 40,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I am so incredibly thankful for that. And I want to make sure that I'm creating content that's going to really help you launch and grow your online store. So I'd like to learn a little bit more about you. I want to know exactly where you're at in your entrepreneurship journey, whether you've been doing this for a year or 10 years, and what you need in terms of how to either launch or grow your business moving forward. So if you fill out that survey, again, linked below, I'm going to have the giveaway open for a week. And after a week's time, I'm then going to randomly draw 5 different people who are then going to get an Amazon gift card that they can use for anything they want to. So again, I would love for you to fill out that survey and tell me a little bit more about yourself. And again, thanks so much for being a part of my YouTube channel and a part of this community. I really appreciate you. And thank you so much for helping me get to 40,000 subscribers.